Good morning, dear student. Today we are going to continue our subtraction, which is on page number 89. We have already learned how to do subtraction with borrowing. Now, first we always see that the above number is greater than the below one. Then only subtraction is possible, or else we can't do subtraction. Okay, and we always start from ones place. Now as you all can see here, 3 minus 4 is at ones place, but 3 is smaller than 4, so here we can't do subtraction as 3 is small, so we need to borrow from tens place. But as you all can see, आप सब देख सकते हो कि 0 has nothing to give, उसको यहाँ देने के लिए कुछ नहीं. So what 0 will do? 0 has to borrow 100 from here, so from 100 place, so 500 will become 400 and 0 will become 10, क्योंकि वो वहाँ से एक 100 borrow कर रहा है. But as 10 has to give 10, so this will become 9 and 3 will become 13. Now it is possible. 13 minus 4, it gives you difference 9. Then 9 minus 3, it will be 6. Then 4 minus 2, answer will be 2. So the difference is 269. Once again, see the next one. 4 minus 7, not possible, so we'll borrow from tens place, but at tens place there is 0, so 0 will borrow from hundreds place, so 4 will become 3, क्योंकि वो borrow देने वाला है, and 0 will become 10. But 10 has to give 1 tens to ones place, यहाँ पे ones को उसे देना है, so वो उसमें से भी हम 1 बाद में कट करेंगे, and this will become 14. Okay, now it is possible. 14 minus 7 means it will give you difference 7. 9 minus 3, it gives you 6. 3 minus 1, it gives you 2. 267 is the difference. Same way, see the next one. 501 minus 147, so start from ones place. 1 minus 7, again not possible, so we need to borrow from tens place, but at tens place also there is 0, so you can't borrow anything. So what 0 will do? 0 will borrow 100 from 100 place, so 500 will become 400, 0 will become 10. Okay, but उसे यहाँ पे भी देना है, so 10 will become 9 and 1 will become 11, क्योंकि वहाँ से एक tens borrow किया है. Now it is possible. 11 minus 7, answer will be 4. 9 minus 4, answer will be 5. And 4 minus 1, answer will be 3. Okay, same way you need to do 40, 41, 42. Okay, see next one, and 43 also. Now see, 800 minus 327. Now see, 0 minus 7, not possible, सो बोरो यहाँ से, पर उसके पास भी कुछ नहीं है, तो वो कहाँ से बोरो करेगा? फ्रॉम हंड्रेड्स प्लेस, सो दिस विल बिकम 7. हियर इट विल बी 10, बट उसे यहाँ पे एक देना है बोरो, सो 10 हो जाएगा 9 एंड 0 विल बिकम 10. क्योंकि यहाँ से उसने एक 10 बोरो किया तो 0 था और एक 10 मतलब 10 रहेगा. नाउ 10 minus 7 आंसर विल बी 3. 9 minus 2 answer will be 7, and 7 minus 3 answer will be 4. Same way 900 minus 459, 0 minus 9 not possible, so वो टेंस के पास एक बोरो के लिए जाएगा और उसके पास भी कुछ नहीं है तो टेंस विल गो टू दी 100 कि भाई मुझे दो, तो वो यहाँ से बोरो करेगा. इट विल बिकम 8, 0 विल बिकम 10 और उसे यहाँ पे बोरो देना है तो इट विल बिकम 9 एंड दिस विल बिकम 10. नाउ 10 minus 9 आंसर विल बी 1. 9 minus 5 answer will be 4. 8 minus 4 answer will be 4. So same way you need to complete till 54. Okay, bye, take care.